Hey YouTube, instead of waiting until I woke up, I decided to do it late at night. Well, anyway, right now I'm going to show you how to get ringtones for your iPod, iPhone, iPad, iDevices, whatever. Okay, you're going to go to Cydia. Okay, once it's done loading, you're going to search up whatever ringtone you want, okay? Double load. Oh my god. Okay. I believe this might be the last iPod video I might be doing for a while, so. And then after that, I'm just going to be doing maybe PS3 or Xbox Ones. Okay. Okay, now. You're going to search up whatever ringtone you want. I want, my god, really? Whatever. You're going to search up, whatever ringtone you want. I think I've said that for like 3 times. I'm gonna search up bird is the word. Hopefully they have that. Yep, it's right there. I'm gonna install it. Confirm. Now after it's done installing and all that, it's going to tell you to reload as usual, and you gotta wait for it to load too. But after that, you should just be able to return the Cydia. You don't really need to respring for. Come on, you don't need to respring for, so. You just go to settings to set up the ringtone you want. You go to sounds. You're gonna go to your whatever ringtone you want. I'm gonna do this one too. Let's see. I don't see my tone in here. Oh, here it is. If you don't hear it, it means it's not going to. It might just be because I don't have it. I wonder if. Oh well. Guess I just will. Well, when I get a new mail, I guess I'll make it. Whatever. Sent mail will be the same thing. Or maybe I'll do this one instead. No, I'll do this one. Now this one you gotta watch out for. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna just do everyone, whichever one you want. Actually, I'm gonna do everyone but is the word. Because it really is really good. Not argue about. Okay. And look, just to prove the theme thing works. Look, Winterboard has it set to where you could change your background to whatever you have it to. Like, and then it'll stay at that. And then when you do this, it goes right to the one that you really have. Which I think is pretty boss. But you saw my wallpaper video, so most likely you did. Hopefully you did. And this is all for this video for the free ringtone.